Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to use a PS3 or PS4 controller depending on what you have. But before I get into this, I'm just going to tell you PS3 controller is a little bit more stable, but both work. So if you have a PS3 controller, you might want to use that, although it's a little bit harder to pair, but they're both easy to pair. The PS4 is easier to pair, but there's a little bit more problems. But really, if you have either will work. And PS4 is easier if you'd rather just use the easy way. But both work. Whatever you have, go ahead and use it. So to do this, you're going to have to download a tweak from Cydia called Controllers for All. It's $1.99, and it's well worth the $1.99. So if you play any games on your iOS devices, go ahead and spend the $1.99 so you can use your PS3 and PS4 controllers on any iOS 7 device. So the two things you get when you install this is BT Stack, which is just another way of using Bluetooth without the default. And it's in your settings. Just go ahead and go in your settings and make sure it's enabled. Should come enabled, and you should be good to go. And then the other one is Controllers for All. It also comes enabled. You can suppress the notifications, which you'll see what that is later. And then you can choose your controllers. So that's all you have to do really on the iPad, iPhone for now. So now I'm going to give you guys the option. If you want to see the PS3, go ahead and click on the PS3. And if you want to do the PS4, click on the PS4. Alright, so for the PS3 remote, you're going to have to come over to your computer. Unless you're on Mac. So if you're on Mac, you can follow the link down below. And all you have to do on Mac is literally just click the download and install it. But then there's just plug in your iPod to your computer, plug in your controller to your computer, and just click pair. And it's as simple as that. But on the Windows computer, it's a tad bit harder. You're gonna have to go ahead and follow the link that I have down below. So I'm gonna go to my internet browser, and I have the link down below, so you can just click on that, but I have it copied. So I'm just going to paste it, and you're just going to want to save the file. It's a tad bit big, I guess, not really. As you can see, 15 seconds is what it looks like it's going to take. My internet's not too bad, so let that finish downloading, and then you're just going to want to go to your downloads. It's almost done here. And obviously you're just going to want to run it. Just double click, run. If you have to give it administrative privileges, which you shouldn't, just click allow. But just click through all that, next, install. Just like any other program you'd install. And I did install this on my other Windows computer. And this does take a little bit of time, a little bit longer than it looks like. Looks like it's froze or something. Just give it time. I'm going to leave it real time, so you'll see how long about it takes my computer. And then you can judge whether yours is really messed up or not, but it shouldn't be. And there we go. It is finished installing. So I'm just going to click finish, and I'm just going to go down here and search SIX, and there it is, 6-axis. I can't even say it. Pair tool, and you're just going to want to click that, and it's going to do this. Installing drivers. I guess I sort of never said, but you have to have your controller connected. So if you don't have it connected yet, just grab your charger for your PS3 remote that came with it and connect it up. And there we go. It's installed the drivers. You might also get a pop-up down here asking, not really asking, telling you that it's installing drivers. Let all that happen. It might take a little bit of time. And then you should get something that looks something sort of like this. And now we're going to have to go over to the computer iPod to see your Bluetooth address, which is what you're going to want to change your master to, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, so now all we have to do is come into our iPod or iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, go to General, go to About, and scroll down to right here where it says Bluetooth, and it should look something like what it says your master is on your computer, and it'll look similar. I don't know if for sure if it's if you have to have the caps or not. Just put them in there just in case. You do have to have the colon and the other colon and all the colons, but just go ahead and copy it into the change master, and then click update. I'm going to show you. Just click update, and it should either give you a thing that says master changed or something like that, and then you're good to go. All you have to do is start up a game, and it'll give you a banner, and if you watch the whole video you'll see a demonstration at the end, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It says a banner comes up and it says connect, press PS button to connect, and then it says it's connected. So it's as simple as that. It's connected, and I guess I'll give you guys a little annotation right here to go to the actual demonstration of the PS4 controller. So thanks for watching. Alright, so you wanted to see the PS4, or you've watched through the PS3 already and want to see both. So to do the PS4, this is much easier than the other one. Maybe I shouldn't say much, but quite a bit easier. All you're going to want to do is go to Controllers for All, which is in your settings, and I showed you that earlier. And you're just going to want to click on Controller Type, PS4 Controller, and then go back. And if you saw that, it goes from Email Instructions to Pair Controller. So to pair the controller, all you got to do is click Pair Controller. It's going to enable BT Stack. And apparently nothing happens there. I thought something did, but your controller shouldn't have anything on it. All you're going to want to do is hold the home button and the share button. And this should start blinking rapidly, just like that. And there you go. It says Controllers for All, great success, controller paired. You can go into a game now and press the PS button when prompted to do so. And so you can just dismiss that, and then you're good to go. Your PS4 controller is connected. I'll go ahead and I guess give you guys a little demonstration, although you probably already saw the demonstration with the PS3, but it says searching for controller, press the PS button. So I'm going to click the PS button. And connect it to a controller. Now I'm showing you this on Asphalt 8. The thing about Asphalt 8 is you can only use the controller in-game. You can't use it to navigate the menu, which is a little bit annoying, but I mean, it's not like you're going to be setting this far away from you, so you can just click on whatever you want. You just can click single player, I guess, and then click on this. And all this has to be done on the iPhone or iPod or iPad, which, like I said, is a little bit annoying, but I mean, really, it's not a big deal. And some apps do let you navigate the menu with it, but hopefully this will load up and I can show you how this works. The controllers are just pretty much like your normal PlayStation. If you have a remote, unless you went out and bought it special, you probably have an iPod, a PS3 or PS4. So R2's to go and just move the sticks. The weird thing about it is circles break, but I mean, I would think it'd be turbo or something, but R1's turbo, and I just wrecked. But you saw that I was moving with the PS4 controller, so that's how to connect the PS4 controller. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for more content.